Yon, touchdown. Okay, so nakapak na kami ng gamit namin. Waiting na lang naman. I believe it's a 4.2 kilometer hike papuntang campsite ng Bruwisan. Ayun, let's see na lang. Cargo. Game. Time check. 3:30 AM. Akyat ng Romelo.
Dilim ah.
Madilim nga eh. Si Jassy. Nakikita si Jassy. Ayun na. Si Romeo Lonte.
Nandito tinatawag siya eh.
Oh.
Para kasi Shads.
Lagyan ko dito. Tara na. Susunod na tayo dun. Nagmamadali na yung mga yun. Eto.
Good.
Putekos. Karamihan guys.
Maraming sa'yo.
Balasubas ako. Ito ka nakachinelas lang ha. Yan sa mga baldog mo. Baldogings na eh. Buko sa 4:30. Grabing dilim. Boom. Dito wala. Ay, mga usapang kita dun sa kabila. Chibog.
Kain guys.
Chibog.
Ano to?
Yan. Breakfast mo.
Yes. Yung to breakfast namin.
Nature Spring. Tapos buko. Time check. Malapit na kami sa campsite. Yan. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, life update. Sobrang putek guys. Ayun o. Ayun o, nabaldog. Ano dulas? Ay! Okay. Walking means madadapa sa likod guys. Nature trip. Putik sa lintik. Hagip na yan. Pero at least worth it. Hey! Nyari sir?
Hirap sir.
Touchdown guys. Ay! Pucha. Almost deaders. Okay. Campsite na sir. Ayan na. Bruwisan Campsite 2. Teneneng. Teneneng. Ayun na yung batis kuya. Naamoy ko na yung batis. Ayun o. Ayun. Tapos may pulse doon. Woo! Okay yun guys. So campsite muna tayo. Papahinga lang, then set up ng camp. Tapos update namin kayo later. Okay? See you! Woo! Okay, game. All set up na po tayo sa campsite. Ayan. Ayan sila, nagpapahingan silang lahat. Tulog, kanya-kanya. Ayan tayo. Sa kabila. Ayan, check natin. Ang ganda dito. Nasty lang ngayon.
One and all have to face reality now. Though I've tried to find the answers to all the questions they've asked, though I know it is impossible to go leading through the past, but tell no lie. There's a natural mystic blowing through the air. Can't keep them down. If you listen carefully now, you'll hear.
Wow. Oh no. Very close area as well. Lamig. Sarap doon. Yan guys. Katapos lang sa Lanzones, Pawina, campsite. At my phone with Bluetooth. Yan. Kung anong nangyari sa haibo ng namin. Ano yan? Sugalis bambulis. Nakakasukal guys. Ito mga unexplored areas of the world.
Oh mama, yes I've got you on the phone, mama, and telling you that I'm coming through the grapevine, gonna coming under my barn. She says I know you do, you know you're doing something. Yes I want something that can do no wrong. Oh, you're gonna see yourself a lot to it in some penitentiary for life. You got to pay. You got me tripping for too long before I go away. Love, you got me tripping for too long before I go away. Love, you got me tripping for too long before I go away. Love, you got me tripping so far, Oh, tell me that justice is wrong. Oh, but what am I doing now? I hear so wrong. Yes, you know I'm down to go and free the minds. Oh, they telling me that I'm gonna do some time.
Ayun, Baldog. Nalobat po yung cam natin. Sorry. Ayun, pabalik naman na kami ng campsite after nun. Kasi ito, meron akong clip na susunod papakita. Ito yung paakyat ulit sa campsite. And bye! Ano, break ulit. Anong oras na? 3 PM. Pababa na kami. And, sa first station. Ayan sila. On the way sa... Uy, ano mo? On the way sa meters ng Mount Romelo ski. May kinagat ng Velociraptor. Ay, puta. Yun. Summit ski. Shishish ski. The light, what the fuck.
Slow down, you crazy child. You're so ambitious for a juvenile. Then if you're so smart, tell me, why are you still so afraid? Hey, hey, where's the fire? What's the hurry about? You better cool it off before you burn it out. You got so much to do and only so many hours in a day. Hey, hey, you know that when the truth is told, you can get what you want or you can just get old. Don't kick off before you even get halfway through. Oh, 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 when will you realize Vienna waits for you? Slow down, you're doing fine. You can't be everything you wanna be before your time. Although it's so romantic on the borderline tonight. Tonight.
Okay, pababa na kami guys. Lapit na. May baka doon. Ayan. Ito na. Basta. Ingat po siya.
Ingat. Hindi na lang.
Takbo. Takbo malala. Move. Putik na yan na pa kayo.
Ayaw na tumigil ng pako. Puta, wala ng
Kaya
preno.
nga.
Nawala ng preno.
Nga na. Baba na ng summit eh.
Nagasgasan pa nga.
Ingat pa eh.
Si Erwin ang naiwan.
Sina?
Si Erwin. Sabi niya. Si Erwin. Kaya kunyari whatever.
Pwede rin.
Baka naman. Kaso gabi tayo lang.
Hindi. Yun na yung one. Para naman.
Too bad, but it's a life you lead. You're so ahead of yourself that you forgot what you need. Though you can see where you're wrong, you know you can't always see where you're right. You're right.